This is the last month of covering management and culture systems, and on today's warehouse safety tips, we're going to be talking about ergonomics and musculoskeletal health. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Walk through any warehouse at the end of a shift, and you're going to see people rubbing their lower backs and rolling their tight shoulders. Pain, fatigue, slower paces. Your body is the most valuable piece of equipment in the facility. Treat it that way. A real safety mindset is about making sure that everybody walks out the door as healthy as they walked in. Bad lifting habits don't just cause sore muscles, they cause career-ending injuries. It can take months to build up a good habit and one wrong twist to tear a disc and create a bad one. We build clear systems so that you work smarter and protect your joints every single day. And here is a few tips that are going to help you with ergonomics and musculoskeletal health. Number one, you want to work inside your power zone. You want to keep heavy items between mid-thigh and chest height. You want to lift with your legs, and you want to keep loads close to your torso. Never twist your spine while holding weight. Number two, you want to use anti-fatigue matting. Concrete floors will destroy knees and lower backs. You want to step on the cushioned mats, and at packaging tables, you want to reduce all joint pressure. You want to keep the mat edges flat to prevent trip hazards. Number three, you want to call for a team lift. Never tackle bulky, long, or heavy items alone. Size can fool you. Awkward shapes shift fast. Call a partner and communicate before you lift. And last but certainly not least, number four, you want to designate a lift leader. When moving items with a partner, pick one person to call the counts. Clear the travel path first and then walk in sync and set the load down together on 3. And as always, these are potential tips. Please follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. You want to take care of your spine and joints today so that you can enjoy life outside the walls tomorrow. Great operations run on consistency, mutual respect, and make sure that when you see a teammate struggling with an awkward tote, you step in and help. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. We'll have another set of tips for you next month. And until we meet next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.